Breaking royal news. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry surprise the world with a red carpet appearance in Jamaica for the premiere of Bob Marley, One Love. Let's dive into the details of this unexpected outing on today's CelebXplore Hub. In a surprising turn of events, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, graced the red carpet at the Carib Theatre in Kingston, Jamaica, for the premiere of Bob Marley, One Love. The couple, hand in hand, looked regal as ever, with Meghan donning a stylish black ensemble and Harry opting for a suit without a tie. The movie, set to hit theaters on February 14th, stars Kingsley Ben-Adir as the legendary Bob Marley and Lashana Lynch as his wife, Rita. Bob Marley, One Love, promises to be more than just a film. It delves into the life and music of the iconic reggae legend, Bob Marley, celebrating his message of love and unity that resonated across generations. The movie takes audiences on a journey through Marley's life, showcasing his resilience in the face of adversity and the revolutionary music that defined an era. This outing marks a return trip to Jamaica for the Sussexes, evoking memories of their pre-engagement visit in 2017. Back then, Meghan and Harry attended the wedding of Harry's friend Tom Skippy Inskip to Laura Hughes Young. Now, the couple returns to the vibrant Caribbean country for a night of celebration and cultural appreciation. Adding a layer to the royal narrative, we catch up on Prince Harry's recent attendance at the Living Legends of Aviation Awards in Beverly Hills, where he was honored as an inductee. Unfortunately, Meghan couldn't join him due to their child falling ill. The couple, parents to Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet, is navigating family responsibilities alongside their royal duties. As the Sussexes make headlines with their surprise appearance, we can't ignore the recent health updates within the royal family. King Charles, Prince Harry's father, is scheduled for treatment for an enlarged prostate. Meanwhile, Kate Middleton, Prince William's wife, underwent planned abdominal surgery. Both are expected to fulfill their duties, emphasizing the importance of health awareness within the royal circle. And there you have it, Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's unexpected red carpet outing in Jamaica, bringing a touch of glamour to the premiere of Bob Marley, One Love. What are your thoughts on this royal surprise? Drop your comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more exclusive celebrity updates. This is CelebXplore Hub, where we unravel the unexpected in the lives of the stars.